Do you want to improve your English? Do you want to speak this language fluently and effortlessly? If yes, then this video is only and only for you, my friends. Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning English language great way. My friend, what happened? There are a lot of people, it is their dream to speak English language fluently. But the problem here is they are not able to start their journey. Once they start, I know they will continue and they will become fluent English speaker, but they don't want to start their journey, and there is something that is holding them back. One is fear of making mistakes, especially fear of making mistakes in front of others. You know what? We can make mistakes alone. When we are alone, we can do anything freely, right? But if we are told to speak on the stage and if we are making mistakes, we will feel a lot of fear and we'll feel that what I did. We can't do it. We don't have that much of courage, right? To make mistakes in front of a lot of people. But don't we have courage to make mistake in front of ourselves? We have, right? So here I'm trying to tell you that try to practice alone. Yes, my friend, you heard me right. Try to practice alone, because if you are practicing alone, you can allow yourself to make a lot of mistakes. Mistake is the thing people think a lot about it. They don't want to become fool in front of others, right? Who wants? I was also like you. Before I started learning this language, I didn't want to make mistakes, grammatical mistakes. When someone used to tell me that here you are making mistakes, I used to take very seriously. But as I started learning this language, I have learned that it's good if someone is telling us if we are doing mistakes, because we learn, right? But many people, they don't want to do mistake in front of others. But there is one solution. If you don't want to make mistakes in front of others, then make mistake alone. And how you can practice alone, let me tell you. As a beginner, what I used to do, my friend, I used to take some words and make sentences, and I used to introduce myself in front of mirror. I used to read stories from books, and I used to explain those stories in front of mirror or in front of my mobile camera or alone. You might be able to see two trees behind me. I used to come and I used to pretend that they are person, they are someone. I used to speak with them. Okay, so I did many things like that. Then I overcame of these kind of things. You might be also going through same problem, right? You might be struggling. You might be thinking so much that how can I make mistakes? And I make a lot of mistakes, and that is why I don't want to speak in front of others. And we know that if we don't speak this language, if we don't practice with someone, we won't be able to speak this language fluently, right? Practice is key. So we are not allowing ourselves to make mistakes, and that is why we are not practicing also. So my friend, without practice, you can't speak this language. But you can solve it. How? I told you, you can practice alone. You can start speaking to walls and anyone, any tree or wall. It could be anything in front of camera, right? You can start speaking with your books also. For few days, it's okay. You don't have to continue. Otherwise, people, they will think that he or she has, lost her mind. But do it alone, because people may take you wrong, but no problem. We don't have to think about people. You can do it alone. Practice alone and make sure no one is watching you, because it was happening with me when I used to practice alone while walking. I used to talk to trees, and by chance, if someone would watch me, they used to think about me that she is getting mental, like that. So we have to take care of that one initially, and we do such thing when we start our journey, right? Otherwise, once we start speaking this language, we know that it's okay to make mistakes, right? But as a beginner, we care so much about mistakes, that I make a lot of mistakes. How can I speak with others? They will think about me so much. But my friend, let me tell you one thing. People, they don't have time to think about you. They have their own problem. They have their own things to do. Okay? They don't think so much about you. There might be rare people who will think about you maybe for 1 hour. That is also a lot of time. Otherwise, our very close one, our family member or relative only, they can think about us. So we don't have to talk to our family member or relatives. We have to talk to unknown, right? What we do usually, when we use any app, we connect with the strangers. And then we can make mistakes because they know only our name, right? They don't know who we are. They don't know about us a lot. That is why we can allow ourselves make mistake in front of them, right? That is the biggest problem people, they worry about. What? Making mistakes. They don't want to make mistakes. But my friend, I would tell you, practice alone. That is the solution. Okay? What others they do? Those who talk on the stage or in front of public, they practice a lot. They practice in front of mirror. They practice alone. They do a lot of things to speak better, to not make mistake on the stage. And even some of them, they make mistakes. Okay? In our case also, we have to practice enough before we start speaking with someone, right? So these all things you have to do as a beginner. It's very hard, right? Easier said than done. The way I'm saying, it was not that easy when I started speaking this language. It was very, very challenging for me to start speaking with someone. And I used to make a lot of mistakes. You know what? I used to say in this way, I am go, I am eat, I am sleep, like that. I didn't know how to speak these kind of things. And now I can speak English language, not very fluently, but even I can speak. So in your case also, you might be making a lot of mistakes and worrying that only I am the person who is making mistakes. No, everyone, they make mistakes and then they learn from their mistakes. That's the way to learn anything. Not only this language, but other thing also. By making mistakes, we learn a lot of things. And I have heard from someone also, if you are not making any mistakes, the chances are you are not learning new things also, right? So don't feel bad if you are making mistakes while learning this language, my friend, because if you are thinking and worrying, then you are the person who will suffer. You are the person who will not be able to speak this language fluently. I was also like you, but today I am telling to you that what to do, right? Because I have overcome of such things. I was also worried about people, about my mistakes, about others, what they will think about me. But later on I came to know people, they don't have that much of time to think about Anita, that what Anita is doing. They don't have that much of time. They have a lot of things to do. So this is what I have learned so far. My friend, just be ready to make mistakes. Learn from your own mistakes. And if you don't want to make mistakes, then practice alone. Practice in your room. And I told you, make sure no one is watching you when you do speaking with your books or walls and all. Because our own family members, they may misunderstand us, right? So this is what. See, this is evening time. I'm recording my video in my garden. And people, they are coming, going. This is so beautiful environment. I like recording video in this kind of environment because I feel so good, so free. And freely I share whatever I want to share. So this is what I wanted to share with you people. I hope my video is a little bit helpful for you people. If it is, then like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.